Well, we've actually tried to, where we've got our Welsh-speaking staff, we've actually put on the curriculum that they can study maths, for example, bilingually. The uptake up to this year has been very good, and we've had learners who speak Welsh as a first language studying maths through the medium of Welsh if they want it, and bilingually, and those learners have gained a lot because they're able to teach people in their class Welsh words as well as study and have things explained to them in their first language, their language of choice. Unfortunately, we don't have a huge demand for Welsh medium classes, but we're trying to offer bilingual classes as much as we can, and that's not just within our college, that's actually across Swansea Learning Partnership. We want to increase and improve what we're offering to give people choice.